Hey guys, how's everyone doing? I'm Ganesh.
Hi, I'm Sumaya.
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
Thank you guys for sharing so much love on us and our channel. I have seen so many people commenting and asking about my pregnancy journey.
Your pregnancy journey? It should be our pregnancy journey.
Yeah, our pregnancy journey.
So, guys, without any further ado, we'll get started with this beautiful journey of ours.
Yeah. So, first, I would like to say that Ayan is not really a planned child. My periods were due and I was late by a week. And I thought I have some hormonal issues or I have some health issues. I have to go and visit doctor immediately. And me and Ganesh, we had a lot of work during that time. So we thought we would visit doctor over the weekend. And Saturday I had to work. So we thought we'll go to doctor on Sunday. And I took an appointment using Practo. And after our lunch and all, we went to that hospital, and then there we noticed that the hospital was closed. There was no appointments for Sunday. And then we came back home. I was still I was still thinking that I still have some issues, and I was keep telling Ganesh that I think I have some health issues. It is 1 week late. Probably some hormonal changes, or I'm getting old.
So honestly, guys, we once we came back from hospital, I was just trying to pacify her not to worry about this period thing, and it was just that she might have forgotten her due date. So I was just trying to tell her that we'll book an appointment for tomorrow, and we'll go and visit before our office time.
Yeah. So then I messaged Samira saying that, do you know any gynecologist nearby? I have actually took an appointment via Practo, but the doctor wasn't available and I don't want to risk. I want to go and visit someone who is reliable. And she gave me an address at Madhapur, and she said, try out this. And she got very fishy that she asked me, are you pregnant? I said, no way. I think I have some health issues and I want to go and visit a better doctor. So that's how we took an appointment.
Yeah. So next day I dropped her at the clinic, and I had to rush to office because there was some urgent meeting. So I asked her if she can book a cab and come to office after that. So once I was done with the meeting, I was a little concerned because it took like 2 hours,
Yeah.
2 to 3 hours, and she was not in office till the lunchtime. And it was like around 1 o'clock. She was not there in office, so I was little concerned. She's just gone for checkup, and why did it took so much time for her to come to office?
So before that, I have to tell you something. When I got married, I think within few months, Samira took a word from me saying that whenever you get pregnant, you have to first share it to me. It should be no one else, not even Jiju. I said okay, fine. And then when I went to a gynecologist, she asked me everything. She took all my details and she asked me by how many days you missed your periods, and I told her everything. So she said, maybe you're pregnant. I said, no way, doctor, I'm not pregnant. 110% I'm not pregnant. And it is some health issues I'm having. Please take a look. Doctor just laughed at me and she said, okay, we will definitely do a scanning. Before that, just for routine checkup, why don't you give your test? I said, okay, fine. And they tested in the Prega News. And while testing, when sister was going to the doctor's room, she just gave me a hint saying that, congratulations, madam, you're pregnant. Doctor will call you. She will do scanning and then she'll confirm. I was like, no way. Then she said, yes, madam, see. Right? She showed me. And I was like shocked. We really don't know because Ayan was unplanned. It was a little shocking for us. So as promised, I called Samira first and I told Samira I came to doctor. This is what doctor said, but I'm not really sure if I'm pregnant or not because that was a Prega News test. Doctor will scan and I'm not sure about the pregnancy also. She said, okay, whatever, thank you. And then she said, okay, I'm really excited, keep me posted. So there were two people who were waiting for my call. One was Ganesh and other was Samira. And after Samira, I just messaged Ganesh saying that I'm going for scan, and he was more worried.
Yeah, so when she messaged me, I was super worried, guys. I just finished my meeting and I was just heading to work, and I got a WhatsApp from her saying that I'm going for scanning. I was like, you just went for a normal checkup and you're going for a scanning. What the hell is going on?
So then after scanning, the doctor told me, congratulations, you're pregnant. And then I was like, doctor, are you serious? Is it true? Then doctor said, yes, see, this is your sac, and she showed me everything. Then I was like, okay. Then doctor asked me, do you really want to have baby or what? Then I said, I have to talk to my husband first. Then doctor said, whatever you decide, you come back to me. If you want, I have to prescribe you medicines, and if you don't want, we'll see what we have to do next. Then I called Ganesh and I told, then I called Ganesh and he was like, kya?
Are you sure you called me only?
Yeah, no, I actually informed Samira first, though.
Because that Prega news test.
Prega news
I was
test?
not aware of that, guys. So
No, he wasn't.
Yeah, I was not aware of that.
Any father would feel bad that he was not shared the news first.
Seriously, man.
And Samira got the news first. So till now he didn't knew about this. Then I called after scanning. Definitely it was Ganesh, because I got confirmation. I cannot go and tell Samira that I'm pregnant, but I'm still in dilemma to have a baby or not. So definitely it was Ganesh first. Then I called him. He was so worried. And
So when I picked up the phone, I was, first of all, I just ran to a nearby conference room. I just locked myself there, and I immediately asked her, like, are you okay? Because it's been like more than 3 years for you, and you said that you did the scanning. I'm super worried about you, and why did it took so much time? What is the news? Are you okay? Are your periods fine? What is why did you skip your period? And all, I was like concerned. I was just
pregnancy was not in our minds even.
Pregnancy was not at all there in my mind, guys. Then by then I was just blabbering. I was just concerned because that was the first time I left her in a clinic alone. So anywhere like alone, and so I was concerned. So then she told that I have a news to share with you. She did not say that it's a good news or bad news. She just said I have a news to share with you. I was like, okay, what? She said that she is pregnant. So I was standstill. I did not even had a word to say. Then she
Then I said
I kept silent. I did not say anything. And
then I told baby, you really want this baby? Because we decided that we will have to know each other more. It was already 3 years of
2 years.
2 years of wedding, but we decided we will have baby after 5 years of our wedding. So I just wanted to ask, I was asking baby, you really want, because I was not ready, to be frank. I was not at all ready for the baby. And I told him, baby, you really want to have this baby? I mean, you really want to have baby? And
when she asked me that you really want to have baby, and she said that I'm not ready for it. So I'm a little disappointed and taken aback, and I just told her, see, this is the first time it has happened, something
yeah, he was
really
like, yeah, he was
nice.
like, this is our symbol of love, gift from God. We should have it. I mean, he was very strong that we should have this baby. And
I just told her that see, this is going to be our first baby, and
it's our love.
it's like a form of love, you can say. It's a gift from God. Okay, and I think we should like go ahead and like proceed with this thing.
Yeah. Then I asked him, so many, are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes,
He said, I'm 100% sure. You also make your mind that we are having this baby. Then I went to doctor and I said, doctor, we are having this baby. And then she gave all the prescription, and then I called Samira and said, Samira starts saving, we're gonna have a baby at home. And she was super happy. She was like, "You got confirmation?" I said, "Yeah, I got confirmation." And she was so happy that she was jumping at her shooting location. And she so wanted to meet me. And then I went down and I bought medicine. And the second person, apart from Ganesh, to whom I shared this first, was I wanted to share it with Mami. I mean Ganesh, Mami, of course. She when I got married, she was my mother there. So I wanted to tell her. I called on her cell, but she keeps her phone in silent, so she missed my call. So I called Vaishu, Ganesh's sister, and I called and I asked her, "Is there any other number where I can reach out to Mami? I wanted to talk to her really urgent." And she caught it. I don't know how. She said, "Oh, are you pregnant? I know."
I don't know all these things, guys.
She said like that. I said no. I was blushing. I said no. Then she caught it. "Oh yeah, you're pregnant. I know. बात कर लो तुम अपने मामी से." बोल के she gave me office number. Then I called Mami and I told her. She was very happy. And then I told I have to go to office and I'll call you after that. Then I went back to office and then I met Ganesh.
So once she reached office, I was so eager to meet her. Then I immediately rushed to the main gate and
Received
yeah,
me.
received her. We then rushed to a conference room in our floor, and we immediately simultaneously, right?
I called mom.
Simultaneously, we called each other's mom.
Parents.
Yeah.
I called mummy and he
I
called Amma.
and
He told Amma ki Sumi pregnant wa irka.
I told in Tamil that Sumi pregnant aita that and Amma was really very happy.
Yeah. And
That finally
she
after
couldn't believe because a few, I mean, maybe I think a month back only I had my periods on time, and we used to have a video call every now and then. And I was very low, and then she asked me what happened. I said it's my periods. I'm not feeling well. So she did not believe. Really, she was asking so many times, and she was so happy. Literally, she had happy tears.
yeah.
And when I told mummy, she started crying. Sahi mein kya? Really? Sahi mein? Sahi? She asked me so many times. I said, "Yes, mummy, I'll send you the photo if you want."
So that was the starting point of our journey, guys. So yeah, from here onwards, my roller coaster ride, no, our roller coaster ride started.
Yeah.